What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Basically, today we're gonna be sound testing keyboards. This is just something that makes the keyboard sound better, or maybe it'll make them fuck. But yeah, hopefully the sound audio is good. I'm recording on my tablet because it's the only form of camera that I have. I can't afford a camera, and I don't know how to operate a camera. Also, please subscribe because it would help a lot. I am just a very small creator, and the chances of you seeing this video are very, very low. So if you are seeing this video, please just subscribe. It's what I need right now, and yeah. Well, anyways, let's get right into it. First keyboard, I'm gonna say the name. We're gonna go from lowest to highest in price. So let's get into it. First keyboard, probably gonna be that membrane keyboard. That's not just my little brother's. So I'm just gonna type random stuff. By the way, I type with one finger. Well, two fingers technically. I'm recording on my kitchen table, so it's not. I don't have a monitor right there. I don't have anything. That's my room right there, but I chose not to record on there. My desk is too small to have all of these keyboards on it. But one day in the future, maybe somewhere like after Christmas, I might show you guys after this Christmas. I know it was this Christmas, like 3 months ago. So yeah, I might be doing a new desk tour, and I might have a monitor. Just gonna say, but yeah, let's get right back. Alright, now we're gonna go to the trash, kind of. The trash kind of keyboard is not too good. It's pretty bad, kind of doo-doo. The reason I'm not showing the face is because I like to show my hands right now. But all of my other videos, I will show my face. Now we're gonna do this keyboard. It's cheap. Can someone please inform me what that brand is? This is my brother's, my big brother's. I did do a mod on this because it still rattles. But yeah, my brother put hentai keycaps, which I'm not a big fan of, and his ducky keycaps, which we're gonna be doing next because this is a Razer Huntsman Mini. But yeah, let's get right into this one. Disclaimer, by the way. Oh, I showed my whatever. Disclaimer, by the way. This keyboard isn't lube. Obviously, it sounds a lot better. It doesn't sound too good, but it sounds better than the memory keyboard at least. You see? The stabilizers aren't too good on this one. Oh, whatever. I showed my face, but it's okay. Well, that's the keyboard. All the other keyboards are gonna be 60%. So yeah. There's not gonna be any other keywords. Oh yeah, my brother took this thing off. Look, this wobbles a lot. I don't know if you can see that. Wobbles a lot. Let me show you what I did. You see, I put some bandages. I know that's not the way that you do it, but for these, I had to do it like that. Yeah, you can see it. It sounds better than it used to. It still sounds bad though. I have to press it down to kind of sound good. But yeah, my brother never modded this. The first mod that I did was that stuff. Then we're gonna go to the best sounding keyboard. It's my big brother's Ducky. It is so dirty because he eats so much on his desk. I'll take off the keycap so you can see. Like, there's a lot of dirt in there. This is Shure MX Reds. By the way, yeah, the keys fall off really easily, but yeah, that sounds pretty good. I'm gonna do spacebar. We can't do an RGB test, but I'll probably do that in another video. Like, look at the keys. If you guys can see that, like, that's just a bunch of dirty stuff. She uses this a lot. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at the inside. Oh, no. Ugh. Feels good and great, but it doesn't look too good. But yeah, spending too long typing on me, it's just gonna say, yeah, you show my face, but like, I'll show my face in every video. Oh, this is the loudest keyboard here. My brother gave me this key from his Ducky. It's the only key that actually doesn't have any dust. I managed this keyboard pretty well. I actually cleaned my keycaps a couple of days ago. So my keycaps are looking fresh. Inside is, I don't want to talk about. It's definitely better than that. But yeah. Disclaimer. This is kind of loud. You have the optical switches. The optical switches and the stabilizers are kind of weird. I don't really like them, but one of my stabilizer things broke. So, but yeah. Oh. Well, isn't that convenient? You really have to push this now. Oh yeah, this is my personal keyboard. This is my gaming keyboard. Chose it for gaming because, yeah, I mean, it has really fast switches. To the the fastest switches in the world. When I bought it, it was. I don't know if they made any more switches. Please inform me. The reason I didn't the reason I didn't post for a long time, you guys probably don't really care because I don't have that many followers. If you are my follower, thank you so much for following me. Like, I'm gonna follow back all of my followers. I mean, all of my subscribers. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna check your channels out, and yeah, if you guys see a new subscriber, well, that's me. Well, sorry for such a long video, but yeah. Sorry for such a long video. But yeah, gonna see you guys later, I guess, in my next video. But it was great making a video, great posting. I was really sick the past days. I'm still sick, but I got really better. But I got better, so yeah. Thank you for watching. Peace out.